Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is to answer a question that a lot of people have been asking. There's a lot of people using Facebook, and I'm sure a lot of users here are using Facebook. And it's been in the news in the past week or two with data breach information that was found online. Now, this is not a new data breach, by the way. Okay, this is a data breach that happened in 2019. It's simple. The reason why they're talking about it again is that someone found an online file being sold with 500 million account information. So that can be from email to passwords to phone numbers to all sorts of personal data, depending on how far they went into the hack for Facebook. If you have been hacked with your Facebook account, it's very important to be proactive, to immediately do action. Change your password. Make sure you use two-factor authentication, and make sure that you actually change. If you use the same password everywhere, change it everywhere. Make sure that you don't give a chance to any of the hackers out there to do anything bad. Then, once that is done, I know I've not been in that, by the way, in that hack, in the data breach. I had verified back in 2019, I remember. I was not part of the data breach. I still changed my password just because I wanted to make sure. And of course, two-factor authentication adds to the security. Now, if you are using Facebook and you want to know if you are part of the data breach, how do you do it? Well, I talked about this website quite a while ago. Have I been pawned? This is a website that has a lot of information about accounts that have been actually in data breaches over time. It's a great website if you want to make sure that you're safe on any account of any company that might have suffered data breach over time. And so if you want to know if you have been hacked on Facebook, here I will post a link to this webpage. You can enter the email that you use to log into your Facebook account and click pawned at the end, or press enter. If you are pawned, here at the bottom, it will actually become red, and you will see a list of where your email has been actually in a data breach. If you were in a Facebook data breach, you will see Facebook in the list of websites. But it's not a sure thing with the email. Apparently, it doesn't show all the time. One sure thing that does work, if you entered your phone number in Facebook, you can actually enter the phone number here of your Facebook account. And in that Facebook account, there you'll be able to actually check out if you've been breached on Facebook. That phone number that you use on Facebook, that you put into the account, it will show up here, and it's going to tell you, well, you've been in a data breach on Facebook. From then on, what you have to do, make sure you change your password everywhere. Make sure you change your password on Facebook to stay safe. Turn on two-factor authentication, and that will prevent hackers from actually trying to get into your accounts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.